Good morning, student. In last video, we discussed the graph of the solution in number line. Now, today, we will discuss solve the inequality graphically in two-dimensional plane. So, first of all, draw one plane. Okay, now here we can denote x-axis and y-axis. Here represented 0, 1, 2, 3. Here represented -1, -2. Same way here 1, 2, 3 denoted by. Here denoted -1, -2, -3. Now this plane divide into two parts. Suppose here in x-axis divide by plane in two parts. So how can be represented? So this side is left side and here this side is right side. So here we can say that left hand plane and this part is called the right hand plane. Again, here x-axis is present, here y-axis is present. Now here one plane is present. Now divide by this plane, draw this line. So divide by this plane in two parts. One part is left hand plane and second part is right hand plane. Now suppose again here one plane is present. Suppose here one plane is present. Here x-axis and here denoted y-axis. Now this plane divide partition in like this way. So this partition is called the upper half plane and this partition is called the lower half plane. So here we can written upper half plane and here written lower half plane. Now how can we represent inequality graphically in two dimensions? So discuss some example. First example, suppose one equation, example number 10. One equation is present and solve this equation and represented in graphically. Equation is written here 3x minus 6 greater than equal to 0. So how can be represented in graphically? So first of all solve this equation and find out the value of x. So here 3x minus 6 greater than equal to 0. Now 6 written in opposite side. Otherwise we can understand this way. 3x minus 6 is equal to, here greater than equality form is present, but here we can apply equality sign. So 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore 3x is equal to 6. Now divide by this term. So x is equal to 6 divided by 3, that means 2. That means here we can also written greater than equality form is present. So here written x greater than equal to 2. Now how can we represent it in graphically? So here we can represent it So again draw here x axis and y axis. Now here written 0, 1, 2, 3. Now here x greater than equal to 2. That means here x is equal to 2. And in x axis 2 is present here. Here 1, 2, 3 position is present. Here -1, -2, -3 position is present. In left side written -1, -2. Now here condition is present, x is equal to 2. Now in x axis 2 is present, so graph is divided in two parts in point of 2. Now after here x greater than equal to 2, greater arrow which side is present? So greater, that means arrow is present in right side. So our shaded portion draw in right side. X less than form is present, so draw arrow in left side. But here x greater than equal to form is present, so here shaded portion draw in right side. So x is equal to 2 is present here. Now after this side, which side draw the shaded portion. So here arrow is going from the x greater than equal to form, that means greater than arrow is present. That's why here shaded portion is drawn right side. Okay. Now suppose strictly greater form is present. Here we can draw one dark line, but strictly greater form is present. So here dark in place of written dotted line. Here strictly greater than equal to form is present. That's why here draw dark line. Clear? So first of all, here equation is present 3x minus 6 greater than equal to 0. Here greater than equal to in place of consider equality. That means 3x minus 6 is equal to 0, 3x is equal to 6, x is equal to 2. Now in axis, x axis and y axis, position of x is here x is equal to 2 is present, so position of 2 is present like this way. Now draw one line and divide by this plane in two parts. In x is equal to 2 position. Now here arrow is x greater than equal to 2 is present, so arrow is going from the right side. That's why our shaded portion draw in right side. Next question. Suppose y less than 2 is present, and how can we draw the graph? So again here we can consider y less than 2, that means here written y is equal to 2. Now again draw number line, means axis, x axis and y axis. So here x axis is present, here y axis is present. Now 0, 1, 2, 3, here written -1, -2, 1, 2, -1, -2. In y axis 2 is present here. Here -2 is present, here +2 is present, here y is equal to 2 is present. So y is equal to 2 is present. So draw line in this side. So after here strictly less than form is present. So strictly less than form is present. So draw this line, dotted line, not a dark line. So here we can written like this way, dot in this line. Clear? Now, after y less than 2 is present, y less than 2 means arrow is going upper side or lower side. Less, that means lower side. So arrow is going from this side. Otherwise, we can also understand like this way. Here only equation is present in y form. So here consider x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Here x form is not present, so don't worry. But here y equation is present in y form. So here consider y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0. Now y in place of substitute 0. So 0 less than 2. 0 less than 2, that means this condition is right. Obviously 2 is bigger than 0. So this condition is right condition. So shaded portion is drawn side of origin side. Suppose this condition is wrong, so shaded portion is draw opposite of origin. Origin side is this side. Origin, that means this side. So here substitute x0 and y0, substitute in this equation, and condition is true condition because 0 is bigger than 2. So this condition is true. So arrow shaded portion is drawing origin side and origin side is present here. So our shaded portion drawing this side. Clear? Next one. Suppose y less than minus 2 is present. Y less than minus 2. So how can be represented graphically? So again draw x-axis and y-axis. Here we can consider y less than minus 2, that means here written y is equal to minus 2. Now again draw x-axis and y-axis. So here written x-axis and here written y-axis. Now after here written 0, 1, 2, 3, here written minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, here written 1, 2, same way here written minus 1, minus 2. Now here y is equal to minus 2. So in y-axis minus 2 present here. Okay. So draw line. Draw line this side. Now after here strictly less than form is present. So here we can return dotted line. So here written y is equal to minus 2. Now after decide shaded portion is representing which side, upper side or lower side. So now again consider, take x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Now this value substitute in this equation. So here substitute y in place of written 0. So 0 less than minus 2. Now 0 less than minus 2, this condition is wrong condition, because obviously 0 is bigger than minus 2. Here 0 less than minus 2, so this condition is wrong. So our shaded portion is like this part. This condition is suppose right, so we can draw shaded portion in origin side. But here this condition is wrong. So our shaded portion draw this side, opposite side of origin, that means. Clear? Next question. Here equation, next question, example number 9. here equation is present 3x plus 2y greater 6 graphical. Now here two variable is present. In above discussed last 2 or 3 example, only one variable form is present, but here two variable form is present. So how can we find out? So first of all, here draw means written 3x plus 2y is equal to 6 greater in place of here written equality form. Now after equation converting to the form of y, that means 2y is equal to 6 minus 3x. Now divide by 2. So y is equal to 6 minus 3x divided by 2. Now after find out any two value and using by this value draw the graph. So here x is equal to consider suppose 0. So hold this term 0. 6 minus 0 that means 0 and 6 by 2 means 3. So here one value we get 0 comma 3. Second one, here consider x in place of 2. Here we can consider any value. So here consider 2. So 3 2 is 6. 6 minus 6 that means 0. 0 divided by 2 so 0. So here we get two order pair 0 3 and 2 0. So now both these value, right? Here we get two value. One value 0 comma 3 and another value 2 comma 0. So represent in graphically. So how can be represented? So here draw one number or axis, x axis and y axis. Here x axis and here written y axis. Now after here represented 0 1 2 3 1 2 3, here written minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, here written minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Now here one point is present 0 comma 3. 0 comma 3 that means x axis here we can consider 0 and y axis consider point 3. So one point present here. Another point x coordinate consider 2 and y coordinate 0. So this point is present here. Now here strictly greater form is present. So here draw dotted line. Right, here strictly greater form is present, equality form is present. So here we can draw here dark line, but here strictly greater form is present. So that's why here written draw dotted line. Now after decide which side draw in shaded portion. So here x and y in place of substitute 0. So here x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Substitute this value in our main equation. So 0 plus 0 greater than 6. Now 6 is bigger than, means here condition is present, 0 is bigger than 6. So this condition is wrong. So that's why draw this arrow in opposite side of origin. Origin form is present here. Now this condition is wrong. Here condition is present 0 is bigger than 6. So this condition is wrong. So arrow is shaded portion represent in opposite side of the origin. So once again, how can we solve in this equation and represent graphically? So once again discuss this question. Here equation is present 3x plus 2y greater 6. Now here greater in form of written equality. Now after equation convert into the form of y. Now here x in place of consider any value. यहाँ हम x की कोई भी वैल्यू कंसीडर कर सकते हैं, लेकिन सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के बाद सॉल्व करने के बाद वैल्यू पॉइंट में नहीं आए, वो आपको ध्यान रखना है. ठीक है. सो हियर x in place of, here consider 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, any negative value also here we can consider, and only find out 2 points because we can draw a line, so at least require 2 points. So that's why here find 2 points. अगर कोई यहाँ दूसरे भी पॉइंट लेके फाइंड करता है तो ग्राफ की पोजीशन सेम ही आएगी. कोई दूसरे पॉइंट लेके भी आप चेक कर सकते हो, ग्राफ जो लाइन है वो सेम मूवमेंट में जाएगी. और ये जो डिस्टेंस है आपको ये ड्रॉ करना है, ग्राफ पेपर पे ड्रॉ नहीं करना है, आपको अपनी नोटबुक में ड्रॉ करना है. तो ये डिस्टेंस आप अप्रोक्सीमेटली ले सकते हैं. ठीक है. 1 सेंटीमीटर या 2 सेंटीमीटर जैसे आपको लेना है डिस्टेंस, ऐसे आप ले सकते हैं, क्योंकि आपको एग्जाम में ग्राफ प्रोवाइड नहीं करने वाले. तो ये जो है आपको नोटबुक में ही ड्रॉ करना है ग्राफ. तो आप जो डिस्टेंस है आप अप्रोक्सीमेटली कोई भी ले सकते हो. ना हियर x इज इक्वल टू 0, y इज इक्वल टू 0. So here we here substitute this point in this equation. So here this condition is wrong. यहाँ कंडीशन रॉन्ग आती है तो आपको ओरिजिन यहाँ है. ठीक है. तो ऑपोजिट साइड ऑफ ओरिजिन ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना है, शेडेड पोर्शन उस साइड आएगी. अगर कंडीशन राइट आ गई तो आपको शेडेड पोर्शन इस साइड ड्रॉ करना है. ठीक है. अब एक लास्ट एग्जांपल देखते हैं. Next question, exercise 6.2, question number 2x plus y greater than equal to 6. So first of all, greater than equal to, in place of written here equality. So 2x plus y is equal to 6. Now 2x written in opposite side, so y is equal to 6 minus 2x. Now after here we can return x, here return y. Now x in place of consider any number, here we can consider suppose 3. So 3 to the 6, 6 minus 6, that means 0. Now after consider x in place of here 2, so 2 to the 4, 6 minus 4, that means 2. Now after again draw plane x axis and here written y axis. Now in number line written here 0, 1, 2, 3, here 1, 2, 3, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and here represented minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay. Now our first point 3, 0. So 3, 0, that means in x-axis here point is present 3 and y-axis 0. So here x-axis we can consider point 3, y coordinate already 0. So this point is present like this here. Now another point 2, 2. So here first position is x and second coordinate is y. Because here order pair represented in x, y. So here x is equal to consider 2, y is equal to 2. So this point is present in which place? So here x axis present 2 and y axis present 2. So both this line intersect like this point. Okay, so our another point is present in this position. Now after join the line, here greater than equality form is present, so draw the line in dark form. Means here dark line represented. Okay, now after this side, arrow is drawing which side? So again here consider x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Now this value substitute in main equation. So 0 plus 0 greater than equal to 6. Now this condition is again wrong because 0 is not bigger than 6. So this condition is wrong, and condition is wrong, so our shaded portion is draw opposite side of origin. So here line is present, shaded portion is draw in this side and this side. Our condition is right, so shaded portion draw in origin side, but here condition is wrong, so shaded portion is draw in opposite side of the origin. Clear?